Wix landing page tutorial for beginners, how to create landing page on Wix. Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we use Wix.com to create our own landing page. Nothing hard, so let's get started. Here we are on Wix.com, their main page. We need to click on get started, and after a small registration we'll come to this page where we can find all of our websites. Basically this is our work panel, our dashboard. Here we can click on create new site. So in order to create a landing page, we just simply need to skip all the questions here. Let's click on skip in the right bottom, skip once more till the very end. And here on the last page, we just simply need to click on begin with a template, customize a designer made a template. So we can easily click on it, and after that we'll come to our page with all of our templates. So you need to know that Wix provides us the opportunity to interact with the templates. We can easily customize content inside, delete pages, create pages, delete sections, add sections, delete elements, add elements, and so on. So in order to add a landing page, we firstly need to find the most suitable template. And in order to do it, we need to find business and services area. And here find one page topic where we need to click on landing pages. So of course, we have a lot of different templates. We have like at least 11 templates we can use, and moreover, if you want to create it from scratch, Wix provides us the opportunity to do that. So we can click on black templates and then just simply use from scratch, or we can use like this template with the structure only, depends on your purposes. In my case, I'm going to create landing page from something from this, and I would like to use this one here. So we can click on view to see the wall template, to see what's inside and is it suitable as for us. In this case, I see that yeah, I would like to use this thing here. Of course, we can easily find other templates. For example, this one is also really good, nothing hard. Basically, I even think that it will be more suitable as for me, so let's use this template directly. And here we just simply need to click on edit this site in the right top corner to use it as a base template for our website. So in a few seconds we'll come to our editor where we can continue our editing stuff, and it will be pretty easy as for us to interact with the content inside. Yeah, here we are on our editor page, and you need to know that every single website on Wix is created from different pages and sections. So here we have like this page here, but if we'll click on pages and menu, we can see additional structure with online courses. We can open this page to see how will it look like, and it looks like this. I don't want it to stay on my template, so I would like to delete it. But as you can see, I cannot. So we can go to hide, and we'll hide this page. And as you can see, now we have the option to interact with the home stuff, where we can add a page if it's necessary, like about page, devices, projects, contact, and so on. And also we can add like blank page as an additional stuff. And now we can start to manage our like structure. We have a couple of sections here, this section, this section, this section, this section, and we can delete the unnecessary one. For example, I would like to delete last section here. I'm going to click on more, and then I'm going to click on delete. As you can see, it was automatically deleted, nothing hard. The same way we can change the order. We can move this section down or we can move this section up, depends on our purposes. Also, we can add different sections. Let's say that we'd like to add some team section, for example, like this. And also I would like to move it down to state after my presentation right up here. So now we are ready to interact with design itself, and firstly let's change some general things, for example color palette, or let's change font pack. So we need to click on site design, we need to open color theme, then click on change colors, and here we can try to find something suitable as for us. So let's try to change. And as you can see, we can change it in this way. Let's use this one here. And also I would like to change text theme. I'm going to change all the font pack. Let's use this one here. So now, yeah, and also we can change page transitions. We can switch it to horizontal. Now everything is done and we can start interacting with elements itself. So on every single section we can find different elements. For example, this text, this button. We can also manage the background image. We have this photo here, we have this text, and basically in order to interact with them we just simply need to click, and here we can find all the options: change image, edit image, settings, design, cropped, filters, animations, link, and so on. So every single element has its own properties and its own actions we can do. For example, for this description we can edit text, create AI text, make it like animated, for example like this, and we can also delete it if it's unnecessary. Let's say that we want to add a new element. How can we do that? We need to click on plus add elements, and here we can find these like photographs, for example, and let's say that I'd like to add this one here. So after that we can select it, we can increase the size, make it bold, italic, change the alignment, and do all the necessary things. The same stuff with these objects. For example, on this like team area we can change who is inside of our team. So we can click on right up here, and then we can choose this repeater where we can manage our items. We can manage it right up here, and if we'll click we can see the option to change the what's inside, and also we can change every single object. We can change images, change the description, change title, and so on. Nothing hard. So after editing, when you've customized every single element on website, we are ready to publish our website. We can click on publish in the right top, click on save and continue, and in a few seconds our website will be published to the internet. We can click now on done, and in a few seconds we'll get a clickable link. We can visit it. So we can click on view, and this link is clickable. We can share it with our friends in order to visit our website. As you can see, everything was like changed, these things here, our team, and so on. So if we'll open our dashboard for our website, we can click on Wix, and after that we can manage like interesting things. For example, marketing, here CEO stuff, manage analytics and reports, and manage billings and payments. So yeah, if you want to see more in-depth tutorials, you can find them in this playlist. It was shown like as an end screen. You can click and find the most suitable one as for you. If you have any questions, you can write them in the comments below, and I hope this video made your life a little bit easier. If it is, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I wish you a very good day, and goodbye guys.